There you go. You're recording. If you want a light, hit the button on. What, you ready? Huh?
You set that up. Keep doing that.
Oh, it fell over. It fell over. I'm trying to open all these things.
I know.
It's a lot setting this stuff up. We got a light, right? Oh, the screen turned off. That's pretty cool. Yeah, I hope it didn't stop recording. No, so go ahead.
I didn't realize the garbage can was already full. But that's normal, isn't it?
Well, y'all want to light something?
What we got? I still don't know what you got.
Well, Tiffany says she wants to do some sparklers.
Okay, then where's your torch at?
We got the candles. We didn't get anything else.
Yeah, we did. Jeremy has the torch.
Okay. I don't know how much flame you want, but... Okay, we put it face away from Grandpa.
This way.
I only got one.
I can get the other one.
Alright.
Yeah, ours don't last like that.
Okay, let's see what else you got in here.
Yeah, grab the bag.
A fountain. No, that was a fountain. That is a parachute, dude. Parachute, dude. I'm talking about them right here. Okay. Cool. Get those. Get those. Got those. Got those. Still got more over here to your left.
What?
Oh, you still got more.
Yeah. I can't fill them all up.
Yeah, but you said you're gonna use them. It says you're gonna take them all. So, yeah, I got it. I'm gonna set this on top of the. Oh no, I can't set it on top.
Yeah, set it on top of that box there.
Oh, that's box. Okay.
Want some more?
No, I can wait.
That's boom. It's on top of boxes. Here's and you got what the hell is that? That's a 1,000-round firecracker.
At least the one good
And they were on the. You can see, sorry.
Alright, so what do you want to do first?
I'm gonna do
Oh, that's rope. I'm just gonna put it on medium light.
I'm gonna
You want to do a little box?
do little box.
You want to do a little box? This one? Or you want to do a fountain?
It's up to you.
This is a fountain.
Okay. Oh.
I like those.
Over there.
Yeah, the brick is right there.
Do you got the light?
Well, I got the light in. Oh, I got it. It's right here.
Alright, you good?
Yeah, I'll do
You
it.
on video?
Oh, we're good.
Huh?
We're good.
What's this supposed to do? As long as it don't go boom, we can run that.
This way.
That's cool. Oh, damn.
That would have been bad.
That would have been nice.
That was it.
Okay. That would have exploded.
We need a swivel chair.
Alright, this
Oh.
Alright, this has a short fuse so we to catch it on fire.
What the heck is going
Alright.
on? Run. Oh, damn.
Alright. What do you say? Yeah.
Remember, we didn't know how that worked last
What is
time.
The fuse down, right?
Oh, it tells you. Let me see.
You take someone way up that way.
You're the leader of the pack. How am I supposed to know? Like if I
It
go.
says it says fuse face down. It says this side. Oh, dang. That was a box. Oh, that's a box. Woo! Oh. Okay, so I guess like this. I guess like that.
Where's the fuse?
It's right there.
Alright, ready?
Oh no.
Where'd it go?
It went up all right. I think it landed in front of their car.
I think so. That's pretty cool.
That was pretty cool.
We only
Hey.
got one of those, didn't we?
No, I got two of them.
No, we only got two.
Well, is that all that's in the box?
Yeah, that was it.
I'm missing stuff.
Unless you talk.
There they are.
There it goes.
They're satellites.
Oh, no. That's pretty cool.
I don't know which way they're supposed to face.
Says.
Just gonna use this as track.
Tear off layer before use. It says this side up. So where the label is.
What? The label's this side up?
Yeah. They put
What it says take the label off?
yeah. It also tells you up.
Alright. I don't know how you're gonna light it with that side down.
Okay, you try it out. Okay, where's your light?
There it is. We're burning stuff. We don't have a lighter. I said we burning stuff. If you want me to light one of those pump things.
Oh. Yeah.
Here, go have fun. There's a whole stack of them.
I
Okay.
thought you only were always taking it in there.
There's 10 of them. I got one over here.
Oh shit.
Those change direction.
Here's two more.
What would you record while I'm doing?
Yeah.
Here's two more.
Did those get you? Yeah, here's two more.
Oh, you got more.
Yeah, I do got one.
You what?
Okay, so there's a fuse right there. Fuse right there.
We're gonna do 4 of them? Or is it 5?
Okay, ready?
Oh, I fell off.
You put it back together. Take it like that. Maybe. Okay. Okay, ready? Okay.
Did you get them all?
Yeah, there's one. Oh! That was pretty good.
Alright, she wants to do some
No,
sparklers.
let me move on. You know what else you didn't get? Those poppers.
I don't want no
Those
poppers.
shots. Okay, I can do it.
Nope.
Well, I was good. I know.
She knows. She knows.
I'll do it.
I'll get some sparklers going.
Too close.
Okay, you get that man. I wonder what things started.
Alright.
Alright, here.
Let Grandpa hold the camera.
We got any of those?
What? Oh no, I got 1,000 rolls. Cap. That's what I got.
Yeah, give me a swivel chair. These things come in swivel?
I don't know. Ooh, look at that. Alright, what you got? Yeah, I got those two. Why, you want to get one of those rings out and put it in the camera?
What, these?
No, not those. What are those?
The flowers.
Oh, where are you going to do that at?
Where's the rings? What rings?
The big box. Uh-huh. Those are rings.
Oh.
Here, hold it.
Let's put some stuff out.
Here, go do the flowers. It's tape.
Let's not.
Yeah, see, it's tape.
There we go. What the?
And we'll put that back there. We'll take that one out.
How big is the camera? That's a Canon?
But we're not gonna use that.
Oh, right, this is.
Here, hold that.
Oh!
Oh, still down.
Well, I missed it.
Yeah, I missed it.
I record.
Down, let go.
I recorded.
All right.
It made a
so,
noise.
we'll put that there.
But I've seen a lot of them this year.
We'll try.
Don't forget about this
Where they
one.
fall down.
Yeah, I'll do that.
How many shots? That's 280.
Yeah.
Yeah, my last 2 spot almost.
There we go. This one goes down, 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 wait.
Oh,
Okay.
so we want me to light up some fires?
Are these dubs? Look, it's the paper.
No, you just burn the end of it.
I got you.
My last 2 get out of the way.
Then you, that's it?
I only had 6. They only come with 6.
It's still hard to light.
Yeah. Oh, cool. You got your. Oh, no. Yeah.
Alright. Yeah, that's been cool. You gotta move the other way.
Got your own pump. Okay. Oop, ow.
Where do you find those? Do I need to-
Sorry, that one. Dad, you only have 33 battery left.
Turn the handle on.
Huh?
Turn the handle.
What's that? Charger?
I don't know. It doesn't look like it.
Probably only charges when it's off.
Alright, now let me do this one time. Let me turn it off. I want to record this.
I'm gonna put this right here. That's all it did. That's all it does.
Good.
Next to me.
Oh. Let's do something crazy. Oop.
Guy? You want to light?
Yeah.
Shoot.
I got it.
Huh? You have lighter? Go with it. Go with it.
Where's the thing?
It's right there, just.
Yeah.
See it.
Right there.
Hell, you use this thing.
You just press the yellow button. Oh, basically. Oh, that was cool. Oh, there he goes.
The parachute guy died.
Did he?
What?
Did he die?
Yeah.
Oh no.
It didn't work.
Is that what? Did you bring this guy?
Huh? Yeah, I got a Skylander. What?
This thing's grounded. Let's fall under. I don't know.
Where's the flowers? Alright, you want to light something? Here, light another. Drummer will show you how to do that.
Put a fuse down. Like that, yeah.
That?
Yeah, like that. And then light. Hopefully it doesn't. Oh, no. Way too far.
That's not even a good spot for that.
No.
Alright, yeah, I was ready for this thing. Yeah, one more. I put a mood ring on the last one.
Oh, that's cool.
No, we could already have this done.
Yeah, that's what I was telling Pop. Could have done this at the house.
Let's see.
What?
Oh, we got it.
Alright, let's see what it is. It's a little box. Hey, look at that!
Alright.
They're real thing.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool.
Well, it's different, huh?
Yeah, it's different.
Alright.
Alright. Go big or go home. No. Try not to kill anyone.
It's all facing us. See it? You got it right?
All right. You ready?
Where do we go?
Oh. Hell yeah!
Yeah.
Oh, smoke! Oh yeah.
Alright, we gotta let that cool off for
Dang, that's that. Boom, 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 boom.
That was cool.
That was cool.
Yeah, look at that. What?
What kind of look for?
A knife. Oh, here. What you got? Okay, go do them. I'll get these trees good.
No, no. I'm scared to light you up the same time.
I don't like.
Just wait for this.
Oh, they do.
There you go.
That's on fire.
I think that's the fuse right there. Yeah. Just light that green thing. And make sure the red's poking up. Yeah. Make sure
Sit down.
like that. And then just wait till it says fuse. Put it on.
Green thing.
Yeah, you're good. Oh my god. It's caught on fire. Woo!
I don't hold these no more because what happened last time.
Oh, I'm not lighting that thing. I'm putting it like that.
I can hold it.
Jimmy wants to hold.
What
That's
you
one of
want?
the shit. That's
Alright, ready? What you got? Roll the candle? No, you gotta stand back.
Okay. Do you want me to cord you?
Yeah, go ahead. Unless you want to light it.
Yeah, I'll light it. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
There you go. Oh, what? Oh, oh my god! Oh. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
baby. Why did you aim it towards the trees?
I can't see. It's popping in my face.
What?
Those. They're flying all over the place. At least the first ones were.
Oh, yeah, I see it.
Those are more controllable.
Oh.
started popping in my face.
Yeah, I saw that. I had
Yeah,
that.
you need to be out. You was right there by the tree.
Here, you want to do something?
Oh, you still got some in here. I thought
Yeah,
was
I
some in there.
did. And I got a whole bunch right there.
Where?
Right here.
Oh. Let me set this over here on the side.
There, let's do your roll. You want to do your roll?
I think just light as is.
We're gonna find the thing.
Let me see. The way. He's aiming at the people.
So the parachute didn't work, huh?
Nope. No, that was dead. We ain't doing that one next week.
Oh, wow.
Mm-hmm. You know what? Okay. There it is. It's all different boxes, different fountains. That's what I bought for you. You have a light?
I have a
Oh, yeah. Boom! Okay, you ready? Oh no. And gone.
There's probably some duds in there. Here. Need a night owl.
You didn't even light it. Why are you running away?
Do the other one? The other one's ready.
This one?
Fuse it right down the side.
Oh.
You want to do a cannon?
What? You want to do a cannon?
Or, yeah. Like
You
that.
just want to do one cannon here.
Okay.
Just drop it in and light it.
Oh,
Put
grab
it on the brick. Because you know what happened last time? It
Yeah.
fell over.
Oh, yeah.
Yep.
Hey, here. Where's the cannon for this?
Right here, the big one. But you told me not to use it and use this one.
Yeah.
Well, that's a different one. Wait, this one's different.
Tilt it to like this one.
Nice.
Here. You have too much fun. Bring this back up. Well, you got need that other cannon too.
Okay. Oh, that's cool.
You're gonna do a box over there.
Dump it out.
Huh?
Out in it.
There we
We'll
go.
get it out.
Then don't worry about it.
Here.
That cannon's probably gonna be thrown away.
Oh, I got it out.
Alright, here you go. Here you go. There we go.
Oh!
This one.
I'll
Alright,
see that
go
one.
do it. I'll get the other three ready.
Ooh. Ooh. Intermission. There's always intermission.
Well, we're gonna have another one of those.
Oh, there it is.
Bigger box.
Yeah, that goes up like that.
Oh, shit. Thank God it was the final shots.
We'll be done.
Run. Run.
started curving back into the tree. Except for these that come right up here.
All right, want to get bigger?
Yeah.
Want to get bigger?
That's fine. Where the thing at?
Right here on the side.
Now he's got a bigger box.
Oh, I got a bigger box.
No, I'm talking about the guy next door.
That is weird. What the hell? Oh.
They were like squigglies all over the place.
That's all.
Ooh, this is so much fun.
Alright.
Now what is that?
What is what?
Oh, those are the Roman cameras. Instead of holding it in the hand, he puts it in the ground.
It's a hard time coming in.
See if I can find it again.
No, not yet.
I ain't zip tying these. That's it?
That's it.
8 of them? Should be. 8 and 16 is 24, right?
What those?
Yeah, these are the big ones. Where's that cannon at?
Right on the ground. No. He's not light his though.
Oh, he has one in the ground too. Oh, he did.
Hold the hose.
Hey.
I like this one. Let's go. I like that one too, bro.
Man, that's pretty cool. He's still going.
Alright, ready?
They're not zip tied, so
Just only do some. Let's do
yeah. We're gonna do like, I'm just gonna light a couple and
it's like 3. Alright. Damn! Ow.
that got me on that one.
What?
Oh, you wanna light another one?
Oh, you probably like all 3 of them right there.
Nope, I'm gonna light one. Last one.
Damn.
I felt it.
No more.